In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images using ChatGPT. This is a fun and creative way to process your images and get impressive results with minimal effort. Whether you're an artist, a hobbyist, or just curious about new tech tools, this is a capability worth exploring. Let's dive right into the simple steps. First things first, open up your preferred browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is your access point to OpenAI's conversational AI model, which we'll use to combine images in a creative way. After you've typed ChatGPT and hit search, you'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the top results. Click on the link to open ChatGPT in your browser. With the ChatGPT site open, it's time to start our image combining process. Look for a plus sign or an icon that indicates you can add media or files. This button will usually be easy to find on the main interface. By clicking this icon, you can upload the images you want to combine. Make sure your images are readily available to upload to streamline the process. Once your images are uploaded successfully, you can now interact with ChatGPT. Here, you'll want to type a prompt that instructs the AI on how to combine the images. Be as clear and creative as you can with your instructions. You might say something like, "Combine these images into a single artistic collage," or whatever creative twist you want the AI to interpret. Following the prompt input, click the Submit button. This action tells the system that you're ready to proceed with your instructions. The AI will then analyze your prompt and start processing the images accordingly. It might take a moment, so sit back and relax while the technology works its magic. Finally, once the image processing is complete, you'll get a notification or see a new image appear. Your combined image is now ready. Take a moment to review the result and see how the AI interpreted your command. If you're pleased with the creation, you can download it, share it, or even refine it further with new prompts. And that's it! You've successfully used ChatGPT to combine images in a few simple steps. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and prompts to see a variety of results. It's a great way to unlock new creative possibilities and have some fun with technology. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!